Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate SiriusXM in rental car. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Activating SiriusXM in a rental car is very similar to the process for personal vehicles. In order to do it, first what you need to do is check the radio for SiriusXM, confirm SiriusXM compatibility, then next is to find the radio ID, tune into the channel 0. This channel typically displays your radio ID on the screen. Then next step is to turn on the radio and tune to channel 1 or 184. Then for Sirius radios, tune into channel 184. For XM or Sirius XM radios, tune into channel 1. Then next step is to activate SiriusXM. To do it, head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar type in SiriusXM.com. Then head over to the SiriusXM activation page. Now there, what you need to do is enter the radio ID from the channel 0 when prompted, then follow the instructions to activate the service. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.